Dear friends, nowadays a relationship is the number one challenge. Are you facing the relationship issue? Is the relationship between the husband, wife, husband, kids, parents, or it's a relationship with yourself? If you have the self relationship issue or other relationship issue, please don't miss this beautiful Icchapoorti Hanuman sadhana. Please remember that one, the Hanumanji's energy is the energy of the love, the energy of this relationship renewal. Now we had a lot of cases where the people was going to the court for the divorce and they just come back, and today their life is transformed. So with the Hanumanji's blessings, we are bringing you the Icchapoorti Hanuman sadhana for the relationship transformation death with destiny course. So please join this free webinar and understand that how you can transform your relationship with the blessings of Hanumanji. So thank you very much guys. Here Dr. Rakesh JD, your host for this program. I am going to be crunch everything whatever I learned in last 25 years. So thank you and God bless you all. Jai Sri Ram.